channel, and I am going to be making zucchini bread. And just as I was about to get everything ready, I thought, why don't you just come along with me and I'll share this really delicious, simple recipe with you. Okay, here are the ingredients. And as you see, there aren't many, so hopefully you have most of this already at home. And I will have the recipe down below. So we're going to use 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to use a teaspoon of salt. Those are my 2 doves chiming in the background. So if you hear that, I have 2 ringneck doves. So I'll show you a video at some point with them. And then we have baking soda, baking powder. We have our cinnamon. We have our 3 eggs. We have our 1 cup of vegetable oil. The original recipe says white sugar, but I always buy the cane sugar. It's less processed. And we have the vanilla. And I will be grating the zucchini. Okay, I have everything already measured and into these bowls so that it would make it easier. You want to have, this recipe makes 2 loaf pans, so they've been already sprayed with the cooking spray and dusted with the flour. We have our 2 cups of grated zucchini. I have the cinnamon and baking soda and powder mixed together, 3 beaten eggs, 2 cups of sugar. We have the vanilla, 3 teaspoons of vanilla, the 3 cups of flour, and the 1 cup of oil. So now we're going to take the flour, we're going to mix the baking soda, cinnamon, powder, and salt together, and we will mix that thoroughly, sift that together. Okay, once the flour mixture is mixed thoroughly, then we will beat the eggs, and we'll take that cup of oil, vanilla. We'll beat that a little bit. Then we'll start adding the sugar. So it always works better adding the sugar a little bit at a time to give it that nice creamy consistency. Okay, now we're going to take the flour mixture and add it to this creamy mixture. So what we're doing is adding the flour, and then we're going to add some of the zucchini. So we want to keep alternating between the 2. Okay, so the last ingredient that you want to end up with is the flour being added, and look at how nice that looks. It's really, really nice and creamy. And I had used a hand mixer, as you saw, but as you're getting towards the final additions, it's going to be very heavy. So then you can just go ahead and use your wooden hand spoon and fold it in. And then I actually added another loaf pan because this makes quite a bit, as you see. So you're going to go ahead and pour it into the greased and floured pans. I'm just filling it about halfway because it's going to rise. So this would be a great thing to really put together quickly. And the only thing that I think that you'd probably have to add that you might not have is the zucchini, because most of the ingredients are in your cabinet, your baking supplies. So there you go, my friends. So you see it made 3 loaf pans. And we're going to put that in a 325 oven for about an hour. And of course it's going to vary depending on your oven. Each oven is different. So here you have it, my friends. The finished product, moist, delicious zucchini bread, easy to bake, and very, very good. So thanks for viewing this Stay at Home with Me baking edition. Recipe down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace and love.